I got it. 1158, we have a car not stopping for us. Parkside approaching hill. Reason's going to be for traffic. It's going to be a gray Ford. I'll get you the plate here in a second.
Alright, what street are you on?
We're on Parkside and Hill right now. Looks like we're going to be going outbound hill.
Outbound hill, very close.
Ohio plate King Victor Adam 9221. Speeds are 60 at the moment.
Speed 60, copy the plate.
Recording.
Secondary.
Secondary.
Ohio plate King Victor Adam 9221. Speeds are 60 at the moment.
Speed 60, copy the plate.
Bob, that's not rated. I don't know if you want to drop out. Yeah, we're taking over. Westbound, you'll still cross the westbound Oak Creek. Westbound Oak Creek. Speeds are 50.
Northbound South Creek, no outlet.
Northbound on South Creek, stop it. You good.
Black male, all black, white shoes, westbound. Northbound South Creek, no outlet.
Northbound on South Creek, stop it.
Black male, all black, white shoes, westbound. Fucking stop running, bitch! I'm gonna catch your ass, I'm gonna tackle you! Stop running, bitch! Back southbound. He's gonna be coming back east towards you, Mickles. Coming back east towards you. South through a backyard. He's shooting! He's shooting at me! He's still running south towards the airport. He's right there. Right there, straight down. Straight down. You see him?
Get on the ground, motherfucker!
Still running south. He shot and fired about 4 shots. Be advised, I did shoot once at him. He's got to be still south.
Be careful, guys.
That crew that's just there, stop there, stop there, stop there. They should be coming to you. Give me one westbound. Give me a crew westbound. Watch cross, we got a crew south, watch cross. Hey, somebody check me. I don't fucking know, dude. Somebody check, dude, he almost fucking smoked my ass. Alright. 1202 South Creek is where I last saw him.
Okay, 1202 South Creek, last seen him.
It was a black male. It was a black handgun he had.
Alright, how many do we have? Just the one out?
Just the one out.
Okay, we just have one out.
Stay in the house.
Mr. Police, stay in the house.
Hey. He's right here. He's right here. Give me cruise to 1208. I got him in the bushes here.
Alright, 1208, got him in the bushes.
Show me your fucking hands. I see you laying on the ground. Show me your fucking hands. Hands. Hands, motherfucker.
Hold on.
Do not move. Trying to fucking shoot my ass, bitch. Man, fuck you.
Okay. I got his right arm.
Good. Trying to kill my ass, you fucking douchebag.